In prime time news this evening, BOJ says the economic fallout due to COVID-19 is worsening. PNP giveaway. Opposition party promises to give all Jamaicans money to help pay their water and electricity bills. And more explanation what the JLP says it will do in its manifesto.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day: sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening: what are your thoughts on last night's debate on social issues?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.